O, yan lang ang citroning nakita natin.
Huh?
Wala naman citroni doon.
Oh no!
I love you, baby. Take away lang daw. Hindi pwedeng kumain din eh. Kami nag-aantay kay Ate Madrona.
What?
Kasi ako'y nagugutom, maghanap kami ng aming makakain.
Oh no!
Another toilet story. This time is in Menton. Menton, France.
Bird of paradise. Ha?
Magaling pa rito, may bulaklak eh. Sa atin sa Vienna, wala pa eh.
Yung pala yung nariyan na ang post.
Magaling pa din eh, ang daming bulaklak. Pebrero pa lang eh. Hi, Nang. Hello, Nang.
Maagang pa.
Una na lang kita. Una ko kayo ni Ate Glo.
Maganda yun, oh.
Maganda kaso maganda rin ang presyo. Ayaw magpatawad eh. Nangangamoy yung keso. Mga keso to eh. Weiß nicht, wer ist Gigi? O, yan lang ang citroning nakita natin.
Huh?
Wala naman citroni doon.
Oh no!
Hey!
So this is our one-night hotel. One-night hotel. Welcome to B&B Hotel. Okay lang. Maganda siya. Hello, Nang.
Hello.
Hello.
Ng kwarto natin.
Yes. At ito ang bathroom. Look at the bathroom. It's cute.
Huh?
It's clean.
Wow!
May bintana doon sa terrace or balcony. I don't know how you call it. Hi, Nang.
Hi.
Welcome to B&B Hotel in Italy. So, may shower kaming dalawa. O, diba?
Yeah!
It's good. Toilet story. Another toilet story. This time in B&B Hotel. Ganda-ganda. O, buksan natin lahat ng ilaw. Hindi tayo magtitipid. O, ayun.
Anong gawin mo dyan sa ano?
Okay lang yan. It's there at the bar. Ayun si Ate Glo ko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Patag-isa na lang ako kumakanta.
Oh no!
Happy birthday. Ano ba yan? Anong bagal mo naman, sir? Tapos na kami kumanta, happy birthday to you. Ang tagal. Ay, belated na yun. Ilagay na yun. Happy birthday. Ay, happy birthday. Alles Gute zum Geburtstag. Ay, sabay na kayo mag-blow. Blow your candle. Ang pira naman po si one. Ready na? Okay. Sige na, blow! Blow your candle! Saka maliwanag pati dyan. Ay, yung isa! Jesus Christ! And she will eat that at 9 o'clock in the evening.
What?
Oh my goodness! Magda-download siya ng sugar at 9 o'clock p.m.
Oh no!
Not daw siyang sugar, asin.
What? So, good morning, Jano Marina. This is our morning view.
Wow.
It's 6:55 in the morning. This is our view from our small balcony here in our hotel, B&B Hotel. Look at that. I think the sunrise is over there. So it's 6:55 in the morning, folks. And the view is so nice. Down there is our bus or bus. Look at that. Facing the sea. It's so nice here. Fresh air, no traffic. So peaceful. I love it.
Yeah.
It's Sunday, 23rd of February, 2025. So we have here a small table, 2 chairs. It's a very nice balcony. It's ideal for 2 person. Look at that. Guten Morgen! Ng Alex. This is a very nice view. I love it. I couldn't get enough from it. Look at that. It's the sea. I love it. How nice. So we're leaving today back to Vienna. And this is our comfy hotel. It's so nice here. Look at that. So having a walk early in the morning. And this is the view. Side view of our hotel where we stayed for 1 night. Guten Morgen! How are you? Did you sleep well? Nasa second floor ka pala. Breakfast tayo. Morning! Morgen!
Kuhanan mo nga kami dahil dito.
Yeah, give here. Give here. Yung gaganda nila early in the morning. Their boss. The pastries. Early in the morning. Hi, good morning. Guten Morgen.
How was your morning?
Wow, it's so
Nasa vlog
exciting.
tuloy, Inday.
Bibi, look! I got my gluten-free stuff. Escape panini. They heated it up. Tapos yung cornflakes. And ito, yung parang biskote. Happy!
Hey!
This time, shopping gallery. Alam mo naman, marami siya shopping. Wala ka pa kin. Hindi kanya na rin eh.
Kaya nga pa ating dibaso.
Outside lang.
Outside.